Hey guys, so a lot of people download Aadhaar from a UIDAI website, and it is the soft copy of the Aadhaar card is as authentic as the hard copy of Aadhaar card which you receive via post. These days there's no Indian Post available. A lot of people are not getting the Aadhaar card. I didn't receive my Aadhaar card. I didn't even receive my driving license. I had to go pick it up from the Indian Post Office. But Indian Post Office has been inactive lately. They are not on time. And have you ever wondered that downloading an Aadhaar card from the UIDAI website is as authentic as the hard copy? Well, it is authentic, but it is not as authentic as the hard copy you will receive through the post. When you receive your Aadhaar card via post, you have your date of birth in it, you have your signature, which you did it while getting an Aadhaar card, and all of the details are in this Aadhaar card. But when you download, are all these things available in your Aadhaar card? Some of the things are available, that is your date of birth is available, your house address is going to be available, your photos available, your name is going to be correct, but is the signature authentic? I mean, this digitally downloaded Aadhaar card, is it authentic as the hard copy of the Aadhaar card? I would say yeah, sometimes it is, but sometimes it's not. So when you download an Aadhaar card from the UIDAI website, you will have digital signature, you will have digital everything on that thing, and when you take a print of it, you will be getting a question mark on your signature sometimes, which is going to be asking validate authentication. So this validate authentication is going to be having issues. This means that this is not a valid source of downloading, so which means that you have not downloaded, you have not verified that it was you. I mean, you will be getting an OTP, but it's not verifying your fingerprint, and also it's going to be giving a question mark on the signature, which is going to be asking validate authentication. So for some small works which require Aadhaar card are going to be accepted with this soft copy which has a validate signature question mark, but a lot of a lot of government officials are not going to be accepting this kind of Aadhaar card. So you need to validate your Aadhaar card signature. So validating your signature is a step-by-step procedure, and I will let you know in this video. If you are newer on this channel, please make sure you subscribe. We just hit 150 subscribers. Let's make it 200. And yeah, if you're newer on the channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. I post every single day. And now without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first step is that you have to log into the UIDAI and you have to get your Aadhaar card. To do that, you have to enter your Aadhaar card number, and once you enter your Aadhaar card number, you will be getting an OTP to your mobile number, which you have to enter. It's going to be a 6-digit OTP. After that, you will be downloading an PDF. The PDF, once you download the PDF, open it, and you will be seeing a question mark on the signature part, which is going to be called as validate authentication. So once you see this validate authentication or validity unknown, you have to right click on it. Once you right click on it, a pop-up will be asking you to validate signature. So after clicking on the validate signature option, the next pop-up question is going to be signature properties option. Just click on the signature properties option. After you click on the signature properties option, you will be seeing a pop-up which will be over here, and now you have to click on the show certificates. After you click on the show signature certificate, you will be asked to tick mark the question. It's going to be coming a checkbox. So now you have to mark the certificate of the path which says NIC sub CA for NIC 2011 National Information Center, and then click on the trust tab. After you click on the trust tab, you will be asked the question that is add to trusted identities. Now half of the process is done, and then after this you will be asked another pop-up where you have to click on the OK button. Once you click OK on the security pop-up option, you are going to be asked another checkbox kind of question where you have to click on the use this as a trusted route, and then click OK twice. So the process is going to be finished. Once the process is finished, you will be asked another question which is going to be validate signature. So once you click on the validate signature, the validity unknown, the question mark on the signature is going to be removed from your Aadhaar card, and your device, your the laptop or the computer you are using to download this Aadhaar card of yours is going to be a trusted device. So whenever you download Aadhaar from this device, you will not be getting a question mark of validity unknown or like that. So this is a simple method of removing the validity unknown question mark thing on your Aadhaar card of your soft copy. A lot of people might not be worrying about it. A lot of people might not be just looking at it also. But this method is going to be removing the question mark, which is a validity unknown question mark on your Aadhar card which you download from the UIDAI website. You can also get a normal Aadhar card by going into the UIDAI website and then requesting an Aadhar card, but this process is gonna take long. Sometimes Indian Post people do come to your home and give it, but sometimes they don't. They call you up and say come pick it up, or they say you have to pay us to give. I don't know why that happens, but this downloading your Aadhar card from the UIDAI website is a better option. But whenever you get it downloaded, you're going to be laminating, and the people who are going to be checking your Aadhar card are going to be looking for the question mark symbol. So that means that is not a validate thing. That means you have downloaded from the UIDAI website. But if you do this process that I've just told, you are going to be not getting a question mark on your Aadhar card, and you're going to just get it color xeroxed and laminated, and it's going to be looking like a hard copy of Aadhar card you got through post. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you did like this video, do not forget to leave a thumbs up. If you're new on the channel, please make sure you subscribe, share it with your friends so that they can get the validity unknown question mark removed from their Aadhar card as well. And subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. We just hit 150, we just make it 200. And my name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.